an update from the last video. Spoke about how we have two counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're working for some sort of larger correction here. And then the second is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're moving for a 5, and this 5 could be an ending diagonal, so it's something we need to keep in mind. Going down to the lower time frames, I said that this I'm working with the theory that this is a 3, 3, 5 in an A wave or a W. And then we have a triangle in a B wave or an X, and we're coming down for a 5, 3, 5. Or we have actually completed that 5, 3, 5. So it's one of two scenarios. And I believe I've also mentioned how people take this move up as the final 5 wave move, and they are counting a 5 and then a 3 wave here, and then a 1, 2, 3, and then this is a 4, and then this is a 5. The Elliott wave is quite subjective, so at the end of the day, we're all just looking for one last push to the downside, but I would say that the account is wrong because they took this 3 wave move as a 5 wave move. So I think I can do this here. Alright, so we have this 5 wave move here, and on one hand we could have an ABC here and then the final 5 wave move here, meaning that we've C bottomed in a truncation, and then we're working on 1, 2 to the upside. On the other hand, we have a 5 wave move here, and then we have an A, a B, and then a C here. And now we're working for that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as you can see in a green count. So what I'm moving with currently is this. We've had the 5, and now we're working for that 3, and then we're going for that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. Going lower, I said that this could be a diagonal, and beginning to think that that's the case. One reason I believe it's a diagonal is initially by Friday I took this as a 5 wave move down, a 3 wave move up, so this is an A, a B, then I was expecting a C, but then we did this, and so we formed another bottom, which was tricky. So I tried to at least see if I could count it as a 5 wave move. So I looked and I saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as some, just trying to make it fit. But now I'm moving with the diagonal approach. Seems better, seems more sensible. So this is going to be either an A, a B, and a C, or it's a 1, a 2, a 3, and then a 4 and a 5. I would prefer to go with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 approach. If this is going to be a correction like an A, B, and a C, then it's going to be a 5, 3, 5, and that would mean that this is going to be our point of invalidation, this current wave C bottom. So if price breaks below this point while still in this 5 wave move, then we can forget about the ABC correction, forget about the bottom here. That would mean that we're going with the theory that says that we've had a 5 here, we're working on a 3 here, and then we've worked on a 3 here rather, and we just need one more 5 wave move below these lows. So yeah, so currently I'm also tracking a set of 1-2s. So I have 1, 2, 1, 2, and then maybe we'll have a strong push to the downside. So we had our 1, 2, 1, 2, maybe we have a 3, 4, 3, 4, then final 5 in wave 3. Then we'll then have, since this was a sharp, we might have a flat and then one more final 5. So let's just see how this plays out. I might be wrong, anything could really happen at this point, but I don't think that this is going to be a 1-2 anymore. It's beginning to look strange. So yeah, current working theory is that this is a diagonal in a 1, a 2, coming down for a 3, a 4, and then a 5. I also mentioned how this could be a diagonal, so we still have to keep watching for that and just see what the market does. At this point, I can't really make any the only proper call I can make is that we are moving. We've had a diagonal here, and then this is a three-wave move up, and we're walking down in a series of 1-2s. This line here for me is going to be, and if it's crossed, it's going to be an invalidation because it's a 1-2 1-2. Anything below this point is going to break that 1-2 setup, and I'll have to find a new analysis to work with at that point in time. So major levels to watch out for in the immediate short term. One is this. This will invalidate the 1-2 count here, and the other is this. This also invalidates this 1-2 count, and this as well. Basically, it's just the 1-2 counts that are the levels of invalidation. So if we break below here, it's going to make us, it's going to make me even more confident of the fact that this is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I believe I've mentioned in previous videos that we could be having something like this, another connecting wave in a WXYXZ. So I also have to keep out. I also have to keep watch for that. I also have to keep watching so you don't get faked out. So yeah, that is it for now.